In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Steam desktop account. If you want to permanently remove your Steam account, the process is handled through Steam support, and it's important to know that this is not an instant deletion. Once your request is approved, Steam places the account into a waiting period before it is permanently removed, so make sure you really want to go through with it before submitting the request. To begin, open the Steam desktop app on your computer or head directly to the Steam support website in your browser. Either option will take you to the same account support area, so just use whichever is easier for you. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile name, and then choose Account Details. This section contains the core information related to your Steam account, including account management options. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you see the option that says Delete my Steam account. Click that, and then select Proceed to Account Deletion to move forward. Steam includes this extra confirmation step to make sure the request is intentional, since deleting an account is permanent. Next, fill out the verification form carefully. Steam may ask for the first email address ever registered to the account, any phone number that has been linked to it, and proof that you own the account, such as older CD keys tied to purchases. Be as accurate and complete as possible here, because this helps Steam verify that the request is legitimate and prevents delays. When everything is filled out, submit the support ticket to Steam support. After that, Steam will review the request, block the account, and then permanently delete it after 30 days. During that time, avoid trying to make changes unless Steam support specifically contacts you with next steps.